Hey, Jen here with Under the Wire Nursery, and we're digging up potatoes today. First, I want to show you the green potatoes exposed to light at the surface. You don't want to eat these due to toxins. The good ones have no green on them. You can, however, save them for seed potatoes. The first thing I do once all my potatoes are up is look for good seed potatoes that I can sprout. Next is laying them out largest to medium size to cure for 2 weeks. I make sure they're not touching each other and that they're in the dark. I'm lucky enough to have a tornado shelter to put them in, but before I had that, I would lay them out on a sheet in the garage and cover them with a sheet to keep them in the dark. The smallest potatoes I take in the house and we use those first. And last is prepping the bed for my July planting. I do plant them in the same bed twice, but always rotate to a different bed next season. To prep this, I bury all my current composting food mixed with some water in the center. I leave this for 2 weeks to settle in, and then we'll make my side trenches and plant my winter harvest.